Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we built our first page using RedwoodJS and got it up and running with just a few simple commands. Today, we are going to build on that by creating a second page, about page, and I will show you how to navigate to it smooth. So let's start by seeing what happens if we try to visit the page directly. Go to your browser and type about after your page URL. Right now, you might see a page not found message, and that's totally expected. We haven't created the page yet. Now let's generate the about page. Go to your terminal and write this command. After this, you will see a new folder about page in your page folder. Once we do that, you can refresh the browser and you will see the new about page show. It's live and ready. But here's the thing, typing about into the browser every single time, that's get old fast. And that's not something we want. So what's the solution? We add a simple link. By placing a clickable link on our home page, user can navigate to the about page without ever touching the address bar. It's smoother, cleaner, and way more user friendly. Let's add a link in our home page. For that, go to your home page. Let's define a div here. Inside the div, a nav bar, inside a nav, an order list, and after that, a list. Inside our list, we will define our link. So for that, now, if we press save and go back to our browser, you will see a link to our about page. Once this link is added, we can directly go to our about page. Just like that, instant navigation, no typing required. If you want to do some spacing here, we can just do a class name. We can create this div as a flex and just do it justify center. If we press save, you will see link in the center. Alright. Let's quickly recap what we did today. We created a second page for our app, accessed it directly via the browser, and then added a link to make navigation easier and smoother. Your users can move between pages just by clicking, no extra typing, no hassle. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to create new pages and set up a simple navigation in RedwoodJS. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. In the next video, we will learn more. Thanks for watching.